Pag raging yung title, pero calming yung atake, ibig sabihin slow burn yan. At baka lang makatulog ka sa ibang parts. So yung premise ng raging, nasa 90s Romblon siya amidst the mining boom. And yung main theme niya is abuse and a little bit of environmentalism. Hindi ko na spoil kung bakit, no? Pero interesting yung premise ng pagkatagpi-tagpi ng kwento. Paano napunta doon. Speaking of the environment, nagamit ng maganda yung environment dito sa mga shots, sa mga long takes, and itself as a character. Wala akong problema doon kasi sobrang ganda. Except, pag may mga times na inuuna yung shot kaysa dun sa characters. No, speaking of characters, Elijah Canlas plays the main role in this movie. And Elijah Canlas does not disappoint at all with his performance. Although, this role, medyo tahimik siya. Which is a double-edged sword in my opinion. Kasi on one hand, Elijah gets to portray yung mga non-verbals in a way na ito pala yun. Ito pala yung pinapadama niya sa atin. And on the other hand, may mga kailangan kang i-fill in the blanks. Which is why I think medyo nakakaantok din siya during some parts. Kasi parang ano ba nangyayari? Hindi mo pa alam until makarating ka sa plot point na yun or at least sa pinaka-climax where nagigets mo na kung bakit kaya pala nagtitimpi-timpi yung character ni Elijah. There's something wrong with him and hindi mo pa malalaman yun until the end. So, personally, masyadong slow burn sa akin yung raging. Pero tingin ko, watching it the second time around, mas maganda siyang experience. Kasi at least alam mo na kung bakit nangyayari yung mga nangyayari. So, ang score ng raging ay